you might know, annuals are very thirsty and food needy plants. They do an amazing job on producing foliage and blooms all the way through the growing season, that in climates like ours, as you might know, it is pretty much from the beginning of the spring all the way into the first frost. So these plants are going to produce beautiful blooms and healthy foliage for many months. Some can last 6, 7, 8 months depending on your region, and that means that they're going to need enough food and resources to produce healthy and beautiful, lush and full foliage. They're also going to need a lot of phosphorus for their beautiful blooms, so we're going to give them a little bit of a boost today. We are fertilizing our annuals in our beautiful tall stone planter, and as we have seen in some videos that we have done before, I want you to remember that we don't need to get water runoff out of our planters to be sure that our plants were completely watered. Annuals have very shallow root systems. They might get a little bit bigger as the plant gets larger in size, but we don't need to saturate completely all the planter. At the size of this planter, that will be a lot of water waste as well as a lot of fertilizer waste. First, I'm going to set up my root Genie almost in the center, slightly to one of the side corners of the container. I'm going to push in there, be sure that I get a little bit into that soil, and I'm just going to press slowly. And that's about 10 seconds. I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm not giving them a lot. They don't need that much. We have had a lot of rain. And as I am watering, I'm also fertilizing. That's the main goal today. Give some food to all these annuals that are blooming beautifully right now. So a little bit more. And we're giving them some blooming food, and we will be set for the rest of the season if we repeat this a few more times until the last frost.